Okay, so in this lesson, let's talk a little bit about adding a video business card as the channel video that people will automatically see when they come to your channel. So I've been using my video business card across a whole range of social media platforms now. So just to show you, I also decided to use it on my YouTube page. So I'm actually viewing as myself right now. Let's go as a returning subscriber. Okay, so this is what my channel looks like. And just another area to think about is optimizing your channel so that you have set up in your channel information all of your different social media links so that people can connect with you in other ways. And I also have a link that sends people to my website, tempting them with a free course, an illustration course. But anyway, so these are my videos that come up for a returning subscriber, and it has my uploads, etc. One thing that I've started doing more of is just making sure that my thumbnails are really eye-catching. They have complementary colors, contrasting colors, and I've started to do things where I actually add the text. So this one, for example, is all about the mixer brush tool in Photoshop. Okay, so let's watch. I'm just going to go, hang on, to my channel again, and let's view it now, this time as a new visitor, someone who's never been to my channel before. All right.
Hi. My name is Kristen Polana.
Okay, so I know you've seen that one before. So I decided to use my video business card as an introduction to my channel as well. Because my channel goes along with the things that I talk about in my business card, it works pretty well. I'm actually going to start another channel just on living and working abroad with Udemy instructor Jacqueline Seidel. And rather than just lump it together with all of my other content, I'm going to give it its own channel because it's better that you separate content if things are wildly different. So this channel is all about online courses, about multimedia, design, etc., etc. And then I'll have another channel just on travel and living abroad, etc. Okay, so now the question remains, how did I set this up for new visitors? Well, basically what you do, I'll just go back in and view as myself again. Okay, so as I view as myself, so when you go to your channel, and hopefully, you've also given some consideration to your profile image and your cover image, very similar to Facebook. And as you're viewing your channel as yourself, it gives you the option to see what your channel looks like for returning subscribers and for new visitors. So if I click on for new visitors, if I haven't, of course I've done this now already, but let's say I was putting a new video business card in here. We just click under change trailer or remove trailer. So if I click under change trailer, it will then give me the option to take any one of my previously uploaded videos and make it my channel trailer. Now I don't need to do that because I've already set it up, but that's basically where you do it. So the rundown is view your channel as yourself, click under for new visitors, and then in the upper right hand corner, it will give you the option to set your channel trailer. So I highly recommend that if you haven't made a channel trailer, it's a really nice way to introduce yourself to new potential subscribers, and then that would feed into all of your other things. I'm actually much more of a Facebook page person. Oddly enough, I'm having a ton of luck on Twitter, even though I don't really interact with Twitter so much. But this is another way to let people know easily who you are, what you do, and how you can help. So I hope this helps, and see you in the next lesson.